Hey guys, it's me Simran, and today I'm coming at you with a 50 popular video ideas video. It's kind of funny because I'm doing this video because I have no other video ideas, but technically I'm about to share 50 video ideas. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, because I'm making a video every single day of December. It started off with Vlogmas, but then I missed a couple of days, so now it's like 4 days plus Vlogmas. So by the end, it's probably just gonna be all of December. And let's get started. Day in my life video. It's basically a vlog, just take us through your everyday routine. What I eat in the day, same thing, you just film what you're eating that day and make it a video. Food too, it's like an excuse to eat all your bougie food and like your Trader Joe's burritos and think it's healthy, you know? A 50 facts about me video, talk about 50 facts, make a list, do the thing. Get ready with me. I make so many of these. Out of all people, I would know that these are fun and fresh and a good time. Thrift with me, go thrifting, take the camera with you. It's kind of like a vlog, fun adventure. Playlist slash fave music video, or like music you've never heard. I know those are really popular, those are fun. I have like 40 of them on my channel. Is this a plug for my other videos, or is this me telling you video ideas? I'm not really sure. Story time of like the craziest thing that's happened in your life, most embarrassing thing. Everyone has embarrassing, crazy stories, or at least one that's like, ooh. A what's on my iPhone. Cook with me, so like you cook with them. A channel intro. A Q&A. You would have to ask for questions for this, but everyone likes a good Q&A every now and then, or people hate Q&As. I'm not really sure which one it is. A morning routine, a night routine, a haul, which is also a good excuse to buy things, so. A clean with me, which is also a good excuse to clean. But it's also technically getting 2 birds out with 1 stone because you filmed a video and you cleaned your room. Your mom would be so happy. Monthly favorite, a lookbook, trying blank's makeup routine, or like this person's makeup look. These videos were really popular like a period ago, but like you could copy James Charles' video, try to recreate. You could even make this like a collab. Draw My Life, these used to be really popular a couple years ago, but I still think they're really fun to watch and they're really fun to film. So workout routine, if you actually work out. Can't relate, but you know. Prank someone, you can do like a prank on someone, like those text pranks that are really popular, I think. Pie someone in the face, glitter bomb, fart bomb, you already know. Copying blanks photos on Instagram or Tumblr, or like copying celebrities' photos. A bloopers video where you take all your like outcomes from videos and you make another video with it, which is a great way to use old footage and not have to actually sit down and film anything. Yoga challenge, where like you do yoga. I never actually understood these, but I know they're popular, so. Instagram controls my day, or like Instagram controls this, that. Those are really fun. You just need to do Instagram polls for that and kind of plan it out ahead. What's in my purse? Reaction video, you can react to anything, like react to YouTube Rewind at the moment, or like JoJo Siwa, I don't know. Playing Fortnite or whatever big game that's trendy, Candy Crush if you really felt like it. I don't know, options are endless. Drive with me, what's in my backpack? Mukbang or mukbang, whichever you call it. I'm pretty sure it's mukbang, but yeah, those are fun. You literally get to eat while filming yourself. What a thriving time. Review of and like a new product. It could be makeup, it could be an iPhone, it could be like whatever you want to review at the moment that's like new. Daily makeup routine. This is like the get ready with me, but like kind of more put together and like bougie. A productive day with me, so you could just like go through your school day, your notes, your homework. Kind of like a day in my life, but like productive. So like you do all like, you get more things done in the video. How I edit my Instagram pictures. Studying tips, so you can actually get your studying done while filming a video. Can you tell I like videos that like do 2 things at once? A day of my life at school vlog. Outfits of the week. Doing blank's makeup, or this person does my makeup. Boyfriend, friend, dog, cats, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts, pigeon. Blank for a week challenge, so like wearing makeup for a week, straightening my hair for a week. I don't know, primary colors for a week. I saw someone do that a while ago. Bake with me, this is like the cook with me. You film yourself cooking and baking and it's a thriving time. A conspiracy theory video, if you're into conspiracy theories, you could talk about your favorite ones. Have like a whole session about it. How I blank, and then you do something that you're like good at. Ugly location challenge, which is like a photo challenge, so you go to ugly places, so like I don't know, just like places that you wouldn't normally take photos, and you try to keep photos at them, and it's kind of really fun. DIYing something, you can do like a DIY on something that's trendy at the moment, like Joanna Cena did Emma Chamberlain's clothing line, like, you know, just fun stuff like that. DIY scrunchies are really popular as well, you know. Wish list of things you want for like Christmas, your birthday, or just like, this is what I want, buy it for me. You know, but like not like that. A second every day. This video would obviously take you more than 1 sitting. I did one for all of high school and that took me like 9 months, but it's really cute to look back on, and I 10 out of 10 recommend it. And then finally, you could do a 50 popular video ideas video. So yeah, those are my video ideas. I hope they didn't completely suck. If you use them, let me know. Hopefully this helps you guys, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Bye!